Hi, and welcome to Virtual's Guru, where barbecue and grilling is made tasty. I'm Brandon Tanner, and today we're going to reverse sear some ribeye steaks. This is going to be great. And if you like this type of content,
please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video like this one.
Perfect. So you probably noticed I haven't done a video in a little while, and the reason for that is I've got a new Traeger 885, and so I've been doing a bunch of different stuff on it, learning its new features, and got some really good stuff coming up for you guys. Some of the stuff we've done before with a twist, and then some brand new things will be coming, but really enjoying it. Spectacular grill. And this particular recipe that we're doing here is something that we like as a family. My wife grew up in Texas and is Hispanic, and so Carne Asada type flavors and seasonings are something that we like to do on quite a few different beef and, whether it's poultry or whatever. And so this is going to be one of those particular recipes, but do how you want to do your meat and season how you want to season it. Reverse searing, we're going to smoke it at 225 for probably 60 minutes, but we're targeting an internal temperature between 120 to 125. And then we're going to take that off, and then I've got these grill grates, these stainless steel grill grates, and we'll jack the temperature up to 500 degrees, put these bad boys on, and then we'll take these out and finish them off with searing them. Love these sear grates. They work out outstanding for getting that nice look you want and adding in that flavor. As far as the seasonings go, in this particular case we'll be using orange, lime, onion, cilantro, and then this is kind of a game changer in my opinion. I love Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. So, but I put it on pretty much everything, but it really goes good on these ribeyes. So, and then of course the Carne Asada seasoning is a key piece to it. So, with that, should we get the seasoning?
Yep.
Okay. And we're going to do this overnight. So we'll season them up and then put them in cellophane and do it overnight. I would recommend a minimum of an hour if you've got it, and 2 or 4 or however much you can. But overnight's the way I like to do it, so it really sets in there and gets in the meat. So, anyways, we'll get after it.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I think so. So we marinated the ribeyes overnight and they're looking really good. I guarantee you that's really absorbed into the meat. It'll have great flavor profile. And so I've got the Traeger set to 225, and we'll put these in, and I'll use the super smoke mode that just gives it that extra amount of smoke. I used to use a pellet tube in some of the older Traegers, but I don't really need to in this one when you do the super smoke mode. And then we'll just get it to where it'll probably take anywhere between 45 minutes to maybe 60 minutes to get them to an internal temperature of 120, 125. Then I'll take them off, and then we'll turn it up to 500 degrees and use the grill grates to get those smoking hot. So anyways, we'll get these on, get it probed up, and get going. (125 degrees internal temperature after 55 minutes of cook time. All right, official taste test.
It's really good.
So if you like this type of content,
Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video like this one.
hey, don't talk with your mouth full.